Today we're featuring a 2016 GMC Sierra. It's a Z71 4x4. It's got 22,000 miles on it. It's cardinal red in color. Alright, it is an SLT. It does have the front park assist. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Chrome side mirrors, chrome running boards, chrome handles, all kinds of chrome trim. Got the chrome bed rails. Alright, it's got the rear park assist, rear backup camera. It's got the trailer hitch, the trailer plug-in, spray-in GMC bed liner back there. Alright, make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. This thing is in great shape. Exterior of this vehicle hardly doesn't even have a scratch on it. Really nice GMC, nice big chrome grille there. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, nice wood grain trim, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It also has the foldable mirrors there, memory seats. It is a four-wheel drive. Got your trailer brake controller there, nice thick rubber floor mats, power driver's seat, black leather. All right, it does have the captain's chairs in here. It's got the keyless entry key fob with remote start. It's got the cell phone charging station. All right, passenger seat, leather's in good shape. Does have adjustable pedals, lane departure, air conditioning and heated seats, dual climate controls, AM, FM, CD. It's going to have your navigation and backup camera display there, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth. It's got lane collision, heated steering wheel, and steering wheel audio controls. Let's check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 22,323 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show your touchscreen display here. It does have navigation. We'll go ahead and engage that. Rear backup camera. All right, back to your home screen. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Got the nice thick floor mats back here as well. Back seat leather's in good shape. I mean, this truck is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely perfect on the outside. Inside is absolutely perfect. I mean, 22,000 miles on it, 16. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. This is one sweet truck right here. All right, of course, you've already seen the tailgate and the bed of the truck. Let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. 20-inch chromes on there. Tires are in still pretty good shape. Some tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2016 GMC Sierra SLT Z71 4x4, 22,000 miles on it. All right, cardinal red in color. This thing's one sweet ride. It's got all the bells and whistles. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.